Welcome to Zape Learning app.
Hello, super smart learners. Today, we're going to learn how to add numbers using something very special. A number line. It's like a road for numbers, and we can hop along it to find the answer. When we add using a number line, we start at the first number, and make little jumps forward. Each jump means we are adding one more. Let's try an example together. We want to solve 1 plus 4. So we start at number 1 on the number line. Now, let's make 4 hops. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. We land on number 5. That means 1 plus 4 equals 5. Imagine you have one toy car, and you get 4 more. Let's use the number line to see how many you have now. Start at 1, hop 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we land on 5. So you have 5 toy cars now. Let's try another. We want to add 3 plus 2. Start at 3, and hop forward 2 times. 1, 2. We land on 5 again. So 3 plus 2 is also 5. Using the number line helps us see how we add. Every hop is one more, and it makes adding fun and easy. You can use it to add any 2 small numbers. Great job! Let's remember. A number line helps us count and add. Start at the first number, make hops for the second number, and where you land is your answer. Now you're a number line expert. Keep hopping and keep adding.
Smarter learning starts today. Download and subscribe to Zape Learning app now.